Hello and welcome back to another video on Unpack Technologies. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the UGREEN M.2 NVMe SSD enclosure. This allows you to put internal NVMe drives into this external enclosure to allow you to use it as an external drive for your computer. So let's get straight into it. Alright, so this particular enclosure was picked up on sale on Amazon. It was a good price, about 40% off, so I think it'll work really well. So we'll take a look around the box. First, you can see it says UGREEN here with safe and stable data transfer, tool-free installation, and premium aluminium alloy housing. And we've got a picture of it on the front. It says here M.2 NVMe hard drive enclosure, supports M.2 NVMe SSDs with 10 gigabits per second high-speed transmission. On the top, there's nothing. On the left side, there's nothing, and same on the right side. And then on the back, there's just some information about the specifications and some other regulatory information. So we'll get straight into the unboxing process here. So we'll just use my unboxing knife to cut through the adhesive here. We'll open it up, and then we can pull it out of the box like so. See if there's anything else in there. Oh, there we go. And that looks to be about everything. So we can put the box to the side for now, and we'll have a look at what we get specifically. So we'll see here front and center, we've got the drive itself. I'll put that to the side. Actually, we'll just take it out of its packaging firstly. All right, so there's the external drive itself. That's just a piece of cardboard there. We've got the rubber protective housing, I believe. Should be able to open up here. There we go. Yes, the rubber housing. What else have we got here? Oh, and we've also got the little bit of adhesive to stick it down and also act as a heat sink, so that's really helpful. We've got a little user instruction manual to help you get started. We've also got another information booklet here about how to use the enclosure itself. And we just got a little sticker here, or not sticker, but a little bit of card. And then we should be able to open this up, and we'll have, there's your USB-C to C cable that they provide, and it also comes with an A to C cable, I believe, and that's what should be in here. Yes, USB A to C cable. So it's a really pretty simple process. It's tool-free installation, so you can just push it out of the top and bring it out, and then you can place your M.2 NVMe drive in there. Once it's in there, you can use this to secure it and then put the adhesive down as well as the heat sink. And then you'll put it all back in, click it in, and then you should just be able to put the little pouch on it like so. Put it on. Then you can just push it down and insert it like so. So yeah, that's pretty much the unboxing experience of the UGREEN external M.2 NVMe enclosure. Hopefully this video was helpful and it gave you a good idea in what the unboxing experience is like and whether you might want to pick up one of these for yourself. I thought it'd be a much more economical way of adding external storage than just buying dedicated external SSDs all the time. And definitely be sure to stay tuned for next week's video when I unbox this Crucial SSD that will be going inside this enclosure. And with that, thanks for watching this video on Unpack Technologies. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next video.